Hola, soy Profe. So hello there. This is actually an additional practice video. If you want any more practice with the spelling of words and the pronunciation of words before the alphabet quiz. So this is totally up to you how much or little or you watch and, this is to help you. Okay, this is to help you practice. So I'm going to do 5 words that we spell. And then once again, I will pronounce 3 words at the end. And the first word that I'm going to spell, we're going to go kind of longer as we go. The first word is just going to be 3 letters. Okay, so the first word we're going to keep it nice and short. It's just 3 letters. Here we go. Essay, essay. O, O. LA, LA. Essay, O, L. Essay, O, L. La palabra es sol. Sol meaning sun. Sol. All right, for our next one, we'll go a little bit longer, and this one is 4 letters. This is 4 letters. 4 letters. Again, you could be doing this, especially if you're practicing at home, you could be doing this just on a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be on a whiteboard. Here we go. Ay, ay, ah, ah, bay, chico, bay, chico, a, a, ay, ah, bay, chico, a. Eye, a, be, chico, a. La palabra es llave, llave. All of these letters are pretty tricky here. With that A, of course, hard for us to think of this as one letter, but it is. Be, chico, remember be grande would be the regular B. They both make that be sound. And then and A are tricky vowels that are always with us. All right, next one is 5 letters. 2, 3, 4, 5. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Cinco letras. Here we go. Array. Array. Ah. Ah. Tay. Tay. O. Con tilde. O. Con tilde. Na. Na. Array. A. Tay. O. Con tilde. Na. Array. A. Tay. O. Con tilde. Na. La palabra es ratón. Raton. Raton. Raton meaning mouse. Raton. Make sure you get that O con tilde. Remember the tilde, and hopefully you've written it in the right direction. Raton. Okay, we'll do 2 more words that we have to spell out, and I have to actually count how many letters they are because they're a little bit longer. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. Yes, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Siete letras. Aquí vamos. Here we go. Bay, chico. Bay, chico. A. A. Array. ere, day, day, ooh, ooh, ere, ere, ah, ah, be, chico, a, ere, day, ooh, ere, ah. Be chico e ere de u ere a. La palabra es verdura. Verdura. Again, we have that tricky little be chico in there. And two eres. Ere, ere. Can be a tough letter for kids. So if that's you, don't worry about it. It is a tough letter. That's why I keep putting it in here so that you can practice it. Ere, ere. All right. Last one for this practice video. And I must once again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Paid. Look at that. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. Ocho letras. Here we go. Last word of this video to practice spelling. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. E. E. Tay. Tay. Ah. Ah. Ere. 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 Ah. Ah. Hey. U. E. Te. Ah. Ere. Ere. Ah. Hey, u, e, te, a, ere, a. La palabra es guitarra. And this one you're thinking, I do know what this means, and you do. It means guitar. This one is a real cognate. What it looks like is what it means. Guitarra. All right, last thing in this video is that I'm going to pronounce 3 words for you based on how they are pronounced. How are they written? Here we go. Numero uno, tigre, 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 tigre. Numero dos, año, 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 año. Y número tres, escritorio, 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 escritorio. Número uno, tigre. Número dos, año. Y número tres, escritorio, escritorio. Let's go through how those are spelled and see if you got them right. So the first one's tigre, T-E-E-E. What letter makes the E sound? T, gray, A. What letter makes the A sound? Tigre, tigre. The next one, año. The trick here is the sound in the middle. So we have A at the beginning, O at the end. But what's that sound in the middle? Nya, nya, año, año. With that tilde there. Yep, tilde, año. And finally, escritorio. Nice long word here. Okay, so S If you didn't have the E at the start, I could forgive that, right? Because there's no like necessarily like S is very compound syllable. Cree, tor, E, O, escritorio. The one other thing here that I've seen students do in the past is that sometimes they'll put a K here, but remember, K and W, not that important of letters, okay? They really don't show up unless it's in an English word. And this, escritorio, is not an English word, so we're not gonna see a K within this. It's gonna be a C making that K sound. All right, that's all I've got for this practice video. Hopefully it helped you, whether you watched a little bit of or a lot. I just wanted to make something a little bit extra because it's hard when I'm not there. I get that, to try and help you guys out. So that's all I've got for this video. Gracias y hasta el próximo videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.